Si Pink Painter. Tingnan yung mga tao dyan, oh. Yan ang may-ari ng bahay. Oh, di ba Halloween party? One. Come here, take something. You see? See up. Wait, Owen. You see? Wow, it's very nice. You see that one? Oh, tingnan nyo yan, oh. Say hi. See? Say hi. You see, the one is wearing. See? Oh, let's go.